Alright, let's see if any of these push rods are chewed up. No. A little bit of wear on that one. I don't know if the camera will pick it up or not, but a little bit of wear, not too terrible. Still worse than the other side. Yep. Got a little bit right there. A little bit right there. Yep. Looks like there's a little bit of stress on that one right there. Same as the other one. Alright, 4 more. Yep, same. Probably going to be replacing these push rods. Same. Yep. Yep. Yeah, buddy. Alright, where did I put my rag? I don't know. Alright. Well, I think that wraps it up for tonight. I'm probably going to take a second and bag everything up individually. I'll get everything laid out here individually. And appreciate you guys watching. This is the Surly Mechanic. Please hit the like, subscribe, question, comment, concern, hit the comments. If there's something that you see me doing that you don't like, make a comment. Is there a certain kind of tool you like? Make a comment. I don't mind. I'm open for conversation. In the meantime, you guys have a good evening, and I will see you next go around. I'll probably get out here tomorrow evening. Oh. Remove these gloves. Alright.